Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to boost Facebook posts. I was scrolling through my Facebook page the other day and thought, this post is actually doing pretty well. What if I push it further? That's where boosting comes in. I'll tap on the boost post button right under the post, and Facebook immediately took me into the ad setup screen. From there, I'll choose my goal. Usually, I go with engagement if I want more likes and comments, but you can also pick things like messages or website visits. Next, I'll customize a call to action button, something like learn more, depending on what I want people to do. Then comes the fun part, audience targeting. You can either let Facebook decide or manually choose location, age, and interest. After that, I'll set the budget and duration, and Facebook shows you an estimate of how many people you might reach. Once everything looked good, I added my payment method and tapped publish, and just like that, my post turned into a sponsored ad, kind of like giving it a megaphone. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.